Hello boys, today we will do this poem Rain on the Roof written by Coates Kinney. Now first of all I would read the poem for you. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, when a bliss of press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed, and he lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. And 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter on the rain upon the roof. Now the last stanza. Now in memory comes my mother. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain, written by Coates Kinney. Now, you know, Coates Kinney was born in New York, and he was not only a poet, he was a lawyer, a politician, as well as a journalist. He was a journalist also. And something about the poem. This poem is expressing the wonders of nature. Talking about rain, and rain is also one of the wonders of nature. And nature's extraordinary power to heal the mind, body, and soul of human beings. As the nature soothes and the raindrop soothes the earth with showers of blessings. Now, a short summary of the poem. The poet is expressing through his poem the joy that accompanies the showers that fall upon the earth. The rain announces its arrival by forming dark clouds in the sky, along with humidity in the atmosphere. The darkness seems to spread melancholy. Melancholy means sadness. That is released by the gently weeping rainy tears. The poet has compared the raindrops with tears. Okay, but for human beings, these tears come down bring to us a strange feeling of joy. They are not really tears. The raindrops bring to us joy. That is provided by the pitter-patter of the raindrops on the rooftops of our houses or of the cottage of the speaker of the poem. The rain brings back wonderful memories of his childhood, and the poet recollects those moments as he lies in the comfort of his cozy bed and listens to the steady patter of the rains. He is listening to the falling of the rain, pitter-patter sound of the raindrops, and at the same time he is recalling his childhood memories, his childhood days, the activities he used to do when he was a small child. At the same time, there is the memory of his mother. He remembers his mother also, checking in on him and looking at him fondly. Mother suddenly came in his that imagination, and the mother was looking at him with love fondly and leaving him to sleep till the break of the dawn. And mother, after some time, she goes away. The memory vanishes. She disappears from his front. And the music the rain produces while falling upon upon the shingles continues in the background. The childhood memories, they vanish, they disappear. Mother also leaves him to sleep cozily, comfortably in his bed. She also goes, but the rain keeps on raining. And the pitter patter sound of the rain he could hear for a long time in that night. So, this is a short summary of the poem. So, where I will teach you the poem, I have already taught you. So, try to listen to this audio as well as video and try to understand the poem well. Thank you. God bless you.